before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can create an app that lets you generate unlimited AI videos using Google Veo 3.1. And with this web app, you can create videos with text, you can create videos with images, video to video, and audio to video, all for free and unlimited. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, on this channel, I review and test different AI tools. So if you love videos just like this, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this for you guys. So with that being said, I want to take you right here in my laptop screen and show you guys how to create this app, integrate it with Google Veo 3.1 to create unlimited AI videos.
To a successful partnership, we are very pleased with the terms.
As are we. Thank you, gentlemen.
Alright, so first go over to Google and type Google Opal. Once you search, this is going to open up. So all you need to do is to click on this link here where it says Opal Experiment. Now once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. So once it takes you here, all you need to do is to come over here and click on sign in. Once you click on it, it's going to take you here. Go ahead and select the Google account you want to use in creating your account. Alright, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. So this is the home page. And over here, you can see build, edit, and share mini apps using natural languages. So you can actually build apps here on this platform. So if I scroll down here under the gallery, you can see these are mini apps created by other users on the platform. So over here, if you want to recreate anything, you can just go ahead and click on remix here and use the prompts to recreate whatever you see here. But in this video, we are going to be creating a new app that we are going to be using it to create videos. So I'm just going to come over here and click on create new. It's going to load up and take me right here. So next I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. Now once you click on generate, you are going to see a generate block is going to appear here, as you can see. Now over here on the right, this is the prompt box. This is where you can go ahead and paste in your prompt. So I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT and copy my prompts. After copying my prompts, I'm going to come back here, paste in the prompts. I'm going to go ahead and click on agents, scroll down here and click on view. After that, I'm going to scroll down here and click on advanced settings. And over here, you will see under the model version, Veo 3 is selected automatically, but I'm going to click on it and select Veo 3.1. So we are going to be using Veo 3.1 to generate AI videos. So I'm going to go ahead, click on it. Now under the aspect ratio, go ahead, click on it and select which aspect ratio you want to use. So if you are creating YouTube videos, you may want to select 16:9. If you are creating TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you can select 16:9. So for me, I'm going to select 16:9. Alright, so after that, go ahead and close it. Come at the top right here and click on preview. And once you click on preview, it's going to take you here. Scroll down here and click on start. And once you click on start, the video is now generating. So let's go ahead and wait for the video. Usually it takes around 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes less, to generate a video on the platform. Now make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you guys how you can also animate images to videos using this web app. Alright, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see it right here. So to download the video, all I'm going to do is to come over here, click on app. This is going to open up. I'm going to scroll down here, click on these 3 dots and click on download. You can see the video has been downloaded. So now let's go ahead and watch the video and see the results. Alright, so you can see the result is actually good. There is no watermark, it comes with sound, and the entire video looks really great. And we have been able to use Veo 3.1 to generate this video. So let's say we want to generate another video. Just come back here, click on editor, and it's going to take you back here. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on step. Once you click on step, you will see this prompt box is going to open. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and get rid of this prompt. I'm going to go ahead, come back to ChatGPT, copy my prompts. So I'm just going to go ahead, press it right here. I'm going to come back here and check all the settings if they are set correctly. After that, I'm going to close it, come back here at the top, click on preview. And now you can see the video we generated earlier is still here. And we cannot see the start button here to generate our video. So to get rid of this video, just come back here, click here. And now you can see the start button is now active. So I'm going to click on it and our second video is going to start generating. Okay guys, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see right here. So to download it, do the same thing, click on app, come back here, click these three dots and click on download. You can see it has been downloaded successful. So once again, let's go ahead and take a look at it.
It is a pleasure to finalize this agreement, gentlemen.
Indeed. Here's to a prosperous future.
Alright, so you can see the result also came out great. There is no watermark and the sound is incredibly clear. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to create videos from images. Go back to the editor here, and the next thing you need to do is to come over here and click on user inputs. Here you will see the user inputs block here, and also you will see the generate block. So all you need to do is to go ahead and arrange them, and the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and connect the nodes. So you can see me connecting it right here. The next thing you need to do is to come down here under the input type, click on here, then go ahead and click on image, because we want to generate a video from image. So next I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt. So I'm going to come back here to ChatGPT and copy the prompt, come back here on the platform, paste the prompts. So after that, I'm going to click on preview, and you can see the video is still here. So to get rid of this video, we are going to go ahead, click on this refresh button here, and you can see the start button appear. I'm going to hit on it. Once I click on it, this is going to open up. I'm going to click on where it says upload response. So this is where I'm going to go ahead, click upload from device and upload the image. So you can see this is the image I want to animate. Next, I'm going to go ahead, click here to start generating the video. So you can see the video is now generating. Let's go ahead and wait for the results. Alright, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see it right here. So to download it, once again, click on app, come down here and click on the three dots and then click download, and you can see it has been downloaded successful. So once again, let's go ahead and take a look at it. If you want to create unlimited videos, this app allows you to generate up to 4 videos per account. So if you have multiple Google accounts, you can go ahead and create more accounts and continue generating your videos. So if you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.